Okay, if you've ever felt like it costs way too much money to become a photographer, welcome to the club. You start with a budget-friendly camera. Next thing you know, you're $2,000 into lighting, bounce cards, lens filters, and subscriptions to apps that you hardly use. But here's the thing, you can absolutely get better at photography without blowing your wallet to smithereens. So I want to show you 5 super simple, budget-friendly photography hacks, things I've actually used in real shoots that's going to save you money and get you those results you're after. Okay, let's get into it. Hack number 1, sticky tack. Whether you're shooting product photos, flat lays, sticky tack should be your best friend. It holds up rings, coins, watches, tiny bottles, anything that would normally roll, tilt, or slide around. Professional studios literally use this on big commercial sets, and you can grab it from the dollar store for like $2. Number 2, use white poster board instead of a professional bounce card. You do not need an overpriced branded reflector bounce card just to bounce a bit of light back into your shot. Go to your local craft store and buy a big piece of whiteboard, the gator board, the foam board, white construction paper, I don't care. Set it up opposite to your key light or whatever your source of light is, windows, lamps, whatever. And just like that, you've bounced light and filled shadows for $2. Okay, hack number 3. Now this is the most ridiculous one. Use a Ziploc bag as a mist filter. What the f is Ziploc bag? Yes, your new mist filter. So you've probably seen those dreamy, glowy images with those soft highlights and the hazy edges. Usually people use mist filters to achieve that look. If you don't feel like dropping $100 or more from all those big brand filter companies, here's what you're gonna do. Take a Ziploc bag, like a sandwich bag, tear a hole directly in the middle, and wrap it around your favorite lens. You can even color the edges with Sharpie or highlighter, whatever you want to add a few more effects. So what this is gonna do is create a subtle blur kind of around your edges, which is great for portraits, product shots, and any other set that just kind of requires a little extra blur. Just try not to let the plastic directly in front of the lens crinkle or it's gonna look like shit. Number 4, use a reflective surface to create some sort of flares. So this one's all about adding those light leaks that you normally see and just sort of adding a bit more visual interest in camera. So my favorite thing to use is the edge of a knife, or you can use a phone screen or anything with a reflective surface and hold it just barely in front of your lens. Now angle it towards your light source. It could be the sun, a lamp, flashlight, whatever. And you'll see that you start to get these cool little flares going on wherever you've angled that reflective object. Try to get creative with it now. You can make it look like it's fire coming up or whatever, similar to what I've done with this shot here. You get it, just makes your photos feel a bit less sterile. Okay, and the last hack, use Lightroom Mobile instead of that paid version. You can adjust your exposure, your white balance, contrast, you can even do masks, use presets. So if you're a beginner, you're just somebody who's casually shooting strictly for the joy of it, I'd recommend just opting for that free mobile version and skip out on the subscription altogether.